Have you recently experienced high gas prices or shortage of product in stores? What about high prices on grains in stores? 50% of the grains in the US are supplied by Ukraine, and worldwide, almost every country relies on Ukraine for sunflowers, wheat, barley, and corn. No matter where you live, the war in Ukraine has an impact on your life. Every country has been impacted by the war in Ukraine, and today we need to stand together more than ever to end the war and help rebuild their country and ours. Colors of Ukraine is working to increase awareness of the war impact and bring jobs back to Ukraine. As a Colors of Ukraine marketing partner, you will not only earn cash for every referral you make, but also contribute to the economic stability in Ukraine, US, and other countries. Colors of Ukraine donates 50% of the proceeds to help with war efforts, and the other 50% is used for job creation and economic support. Our affiliates love us so much because with Colors of Ukraine affiliate program, you help improve the economy and earn up to 20% referral fee. Plus, there is no limit to the amount of referrals you can make. So the more you refer, the more you profit. The time to take action is now. Join Colors of Ukraine affiliate program and let's build a better world together.